Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe an occasion when someone gave you a positive advice or suggestions about your work/study. You should say, who is the person? What did he say? How did the advice affect you? And explain how did you feel about the advice. My senior year of high school stands out as the time I received helpful guidance regarding my academics. My older cousin Rohan, who was employed at a reputable company and had already earned his engineering degree, was the one who gave me advice. I was under a lot of stress at the moment because I had board examinations coming up. I used to spend a lot of time studying, but I frequently felt overburdened and perplexed, questioning if I was doing the proper preparation. When Rohan came to see us one evening, he saw that I appeared tense and nervous. My strategy was totally altered once he sat down with me and offered me some fantastic suggestions. He stated, "It's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter." He advised me to prioritize my studies, look at past exam papers to find key themes, and make a well-balanced daily schedule that allowed for both adequate rest and brief breaks. Additionally, he stressed the value of frequent revisions as opposed to attempting to pack everything at once. He also advised me to avoid comparing myself to others and to maintain my confidence in my preparedness. I was greatly impacted by the counsel. I quickly reorganized my study timetable, allocating more effective study time and prioritizing high-weightage subjects. Additionally, I began taking quick breaks every 2 hours, which helped me feel more rested and concentrated. My performance increased and my stress level dropped considerably as a result. I eventually received great test scores and was accepted into a prestigious university. I was really appreciative of Rohan's counsel. It was more than just study methods. His advice changed my perspective and made me more optimistic, calculated, and self-assured. I came to see how someone's life can be drastically altered by a few well-considered recommendations made at the appropriate moment. I still go to his advice to work smarter, not harder, anytime I'm feeling overwhelmed because it keeps me on course. To sum up, this event showed me the true worth of constructive criticism and how it can inspire and direct someone to reach their full potential. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.